Hello and welcome to Christmas in July 2020 at the Art Circle Public Library. And I'm here today with Debbie Kokes. And Debbie has made us some kits and is going to instruct us on how to make them for bracelets for Christmas in July.
Thank you, Margot. First of all, when you buy your wire, it's in a coil and it'll make about 30 bracelets this size. And you take your wire and you stretch it, you cut off what you want, you stretch it out just a little bit so it's easier to work with. Then you turn it so the end is the end of the wire that you're gonna close first is away from you. And then you're gonna take your needle nose pliers, brown pliers, and you're gonna twist it back over itself toward you. And the smaller the loop, the better. So try to not get more than 1/4 of an inch up on your pliers. You get that done, then you're ready to start. You lay out your pattern that you want your beads to be, your design, and lay them on felt or a swing cloth if they want, because they will roll away if you don't. And you're going to start putting on your first bead. And just on like that. You can make your bracelet as small or as big as you want to. You can make it 4 or 5 coils big. It's just up to you. And there's no right or wrong way except just turning the wire. And so I'm just going to finish the end so you can see. But I've got my pattern started. But I'm going to finish the end. You need to, don't get more than 1/4 inch up and turn your loop back toward you, grab it on the bottom, turn it all the way, and turn it 2 or 3 times. That way you'll be sure that it won't come open. I've also enclosed some printed instructions for you to see in case you should be like me and forget it. And that's a Beaded Wire Bracelet. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.